So guys, thank you and welcome back to Fred Mwaa TV. This is a second part of Utukufu juu kwa Mungu. Now we are playing the verse. Na 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 na. So let me play a bit. Let's break down the Kabas part. So like how am I playing? I'm starting like no, I'm playing a melody. You just play like that. Like play it. And then then combination. I usually repeat a lot so that you can see what I'm doing and you can understand in the simple way, in the simplest way, guys. So and then I repeat na 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 na. How did I do that? Yes, like that. Let me repeat from the top. Just like that. It is over. Let us repeat again and you will see how you will be able to play it in the simplest way. Alright guys? So that when I tell you to subscribe, you know I'm giving you these secrets for free of charge. What you need just to do is to like, subscribe and comment, guys. Yeah, just do that for me. Subscribe, guys. Let me keep quiet for 1 second so that you can subscribe. 1. I know you have subscribed. Let's go on. Let's go. And then and then so let's combine that part. Now when you finish it, Utukufu. So let's play that part with the beat. Then we combine with the bass with the left hand. All right, as usual. Let's do the left hand and the right hand. So just, it's very simple. If you are doing you got you just press like that. And then you press this. Let's combine. Just like that. And then you repeat the same thing. The bass is very simple. You just follow what I'm doing. But first train yourself how to play it in the right hand. If you understand the right hand the most, you will be able to play even the left hand easier. So the first thing is to understand the right hand. The right hand is the tough one. So just try to understand how to play it with the right hand, and then you go to the left hand. All right. Don't try to play on both hands. Just train yourself on the right hand, the left hand, and then combine both of them. Let us play now with the right and the left hand, and then we play with our beat. All right. So now let us combine everything, and then you train yourself. Practice makes perfect. All right, let's play with our beat. Huh? guys, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Let's meet on another wonderful lesson that I'll be going to teach you on how to play a different amazing Catholic song. I teach you how to play Catholic songs in the simplest way. So guys, bye bye and God bless you.